Hello, everyone. What a wonderful day. Today, you guys, I decided that I wanted some grilled corn, but guess what? I do not have an outside grill, and I wanted my family to experience grilled corn along with some other items that you would have at a barbecue. So, let me show you guys how I made this corn indoors. Let's go ahead and let's get into this video. So the first thing I did, you guys, was boil me some corn. So after my corn boiled, I boiled it in some water and some chicken broth. I mixed a little chicken bouillon and some salt, and I allowed that corn to boil for about 30 minutes. Okay, so now I am getting ready to start my Power Smokeless Grill. I don't use it that often, so I'm kind of not that good at it, but I got it up to where I want it to be about 400 degrees, okay? About 400, 425. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray the Power Smokeless Grill with some spray out of the can. You know, you can wipe on you some kind of oil. And I'm going to take this corn and I am going to place it on my Power Smokeless Grill, okay? And I'm going to grill it until I get some good grill marks to where it may look as if though I cooked my corn outside on a grill. Okay, the Power Smokeless Grill will not cook your corn all the way. No way. It's not. You would be there all day waiting on your corn to cook. So that's why I pre-boiled it. Okay, so now after I spray it, let's get our corn out and let's go ahead and start placing corn on the Power Smokeless Grill. Now I can tell you the center of the grill is where it is the hottest at. On the edges about 1.5 inches out, it doesn't get so hot. So that's why you need to go ahead and place your corn, your ears of corn in the middle. Now mind you, this is fresh corn. I had to clean it, you know, take the husk off of it, the little hairy looking stuff, wash it. And that's why I pre-boiled it. And it is going to be so delicious. Well, it was delicious. This is a voiceover, you guys. So now, I'm going to allow this corn. You need to allow it to cook for about 15 minutes per side. But I sprayed the corn as well to help with the making of the grill marks. Because basically that's what this Power Smokeless Grill does is make grill marks, and it's gonna actually look like it was cooked on the grill. So you're gonna grill all 4 sides. Let your lid down so that all the heat stays in to ensure cooking of your corn. Okay, now if you see that here we have grill marks, and it does take about 15 to 20 minutes per side to get those grill marks. Now if you want to cook your corn actually on this Power Smokeless Grill, remember it's going to take you about a good 1.5 hours to actually grill corn on this Power Smokeless Grill. The recipe in the book says 400 degrees for the corn, so that's what I did, 400 degrees. But I would suggest 425, you guys, to grill you some corn, okay? Now that we have our grill marks on our grilled corn with our Power Smokeless Grill, I'm gonna go ahead and get my corn out. See that, you guys? And I have these little corn trays that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to place them in the trays. And I'm going to go ahead and use some butter. I have me some spray Parkay butter. I'm gonna spray onto my ears of corn, okay? And I bought these corn trays because they look fancy. And you want your grilled corn to look presentable and delicious. And you can find these trays at your local Dollar Tree. They come 4 in a pack for $1, so you get 4 for $1. So make sure you put a nice generous amount of butter for those who enjoy butter, and for those who don't want any butter or margarine or that type of taste, just don't spray it on theirs. And now I'm going to add a little salt. You can add whatever type of seasoning you're used to with your corn, but I just prefer a little salt, a little black pepper, and a little bit of the butter. There's nothing better than some butter on your corn. Okay, here I have the little corn picks, or I don't know what you want to call them, skewers, and you stick them into the ends of your corn. That way, when everyone gets ready to pick up their corn, it's easy for them to pick up their corn or roll it around in that butter that will be in the tray, the little corn tray. And to get that good old salt on it, that way you won't have to have all that stuff sticking on your finger as well. And it's great for parties or barbecues or with your family. Now me, I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to add some butter to this corn, just a little bit, because this is what I like. Y'all, let me tell you. Now, you can listen to whoever you want to, but butter and salt and black pepper and corn, ooh-wee. Talking about some good old cooking. But eating, I mean. So, yeah, this is how I decided to do it for my family. It looks nice. It looks presentable. And it does have grill marks on it, as if though I cooked it on the grill. And I actually cooked it on my Power Smokeless Indoor Grill. So I can put it to the use some kind of way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Share this video out with each and everyone you know. And stay tuned to my channel for another video. Peace. Have a good day.